Hey everyone, is your Google Pixel having network problems like no signal, weak data, or frequent drops? Don't worry, in this video I'll show simple fixes step by step. Let's get started. First, try out some basic things. Swipe down to open quick settings. Turn airplane mode on. Wait 10 seconds. Then turn airplane mode off. Check if the network signal comes back. Solution 1. Check mobile data and network mode. Open settings on your device. Then tap network and internet. Next, select SIMs. Make sure mobile data is on. Now tap preferred network type and select 5G, LTE, or 4G. Avoid locking the phone to a single network mode. Solution 2. Disable VPN and private DNS. VPNs and custom DNS can block network access. Open settings on your device, then go to network and internet. Now tap VPN and disconnect or remove any active VPN. Now come back and tap private DNS, then set it to automatic. Now test your internet connection. That's how to fix network issues on Google Pixel. Like, subscribe, and comment if you still need help. Thanks for watching.